What's up guys, Zekrix here, back for another video. Today I'm going to show you another abandoned house in West Virginia. As you can see, this one is pretty old, beat up. It is 10 o'clock right now, I think. Oh yeah, 10 o'clock. It's around 50 degrees outside. This house has been here for a long time. I don't really know how long, but it's been abandoned since probably the early 2000s or so. This house is a little bit risky. Some of the floors are caving, but I am going to go inside and show you it anyways. First, let me show you the outside view of this place. This house has multiple porches actually. I think there's 3 porches to this place. This is public property. Ouch, thorn. This is public property. I did just find this place on the map. I just decided to enter and stuff. So let's check this place out. Okay, I did check this door right here. It is locked, but this door is the only one that's unlocked. I haven't seen a basement to this place, so don't know if it's safe or not. But I noticed that this part right here, it's like caving in, so you gotta be careful. A lot of creatures have been sleeping in here. There's a bird nest right here on top right there. That door right there is locked. I don't know why. Maybe this was the living room? I'm not sure. Just to let you guys know, I did buy a flashlight. I did buy one right here. See, this is 2000 lumens, so it's pretty light, pretty bright. And I know you guys have been wanting me to have one, so maybe this will show some use and stuff. This floor right here is also caving a little bit. I don't know what this room was, to be honest. There's no graffiti at all, meaning that this place is not really well known. But it is residential after all, in the middle of nowhere. This is the living room right here. Oops. Yeah, it's the living room right here. No, the living room. Probably something I don't know of. I thought it was a living room because of the couches right there. So you moved it on purpose. There's nothing really special inside this room, to be honest. It's just these old couches, tires, and just stuff. Maybe this was just a storage room of some sort. Maybe. I don't really know. There is a newspaper right here on the floor. I did check it. Where I said that it was abandoned since 2000-ish. Right here. Did check it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but hold on. There you go. January 14th, The January 16th, 2000. So that's why I think it's been abandoned since then. There is an old TV right here. I haven't really bothered to step inside this room because it looks very mucky, very dirty. You see my GoPro on the stick. Looks very dirty. So I don't really want to step in here, to be honest. But that TV does look old though. Looks nice. Okay. This is the kitchen, I believe. Like I said, it's probably been used for storage or something. I don't know. Whole ceiling is caving. You see the top floor here. It's the other side of that room I mentioned. Very hazardous. See a very old lamp right there. And there's the TV. Yeah, okay. This might have been a bathroom. From the look, yeah, it is a bathroom. Okay. There's a chair right here. Cool chair. This is of a side of the house. Let me throw a flashlight. Get the nice view of the woods from here. Very peaceful. That goes out to the porch, another porch. Don't worry, want to step any closer. It kind of looks unsafe, so I do want to show you guys this porch. I haven't seen it myself yet. Oops. Oh, I think I broke the door. My bad. Oh, looks nice. Nice view. Wonder where that leads to. I don't want to see myself. Oh yeah, it doesn't go down that far. There's also an old wash machine right here. Fabric selector, signature. Yeah, that's not going to do nothing. It's nice to see that though. Old clock. It's nice. This whole thing is rested out. I want to show you guys a little bit of the top floor. I can't go on it since, as you've seen before, there is like no support up there for me to stand on. The wood's decaying. So happens when you don't take care of your house. Another windy stairs like my first video that you've seen, might have seen. There's a windy staircase. These are kind of uncommon, I think. I'm not really going to go that high, like all the way up. I don't really like this at all. I don't really know what that was right there. Oh, it looks like this, maybe this place was abandoned because it was on fire, caught on fire. Yeah, you see like right there. Right here, it looks like it's burning. It was, you know, torched. Probably can't see it from here, but I can. This might have been like hand built and got caught on fire. They just abandoned it after that. As you can see right there, it's caving in. I don't want to step on that. I don't want to fall through the floor and get hurt. So yeah, I think that's all that this house has to offer. Let me see. Yeah, those are all the rooms for this house. It's a pretty neat find, to be honest. Found it off of Google Maps again and confirmed it that it was abandoned by a coming person. Also, what is this? I didn't look at this yet. No newspaper. Oh yeah, this is old. 2000. There's just cars. All these vehicles are old now. Some of these cars are expensive. Like, it's the same price as modern vehicles. Except for this one here, that's cheap-ish. 96 Buick Skylark 4-door. Trying to open this paper. I've never seen like a full newspaper like this. Full-size newspaper. Huh. Oh, okay. Nothing much, I guess. Yeah, nothing much. See a lot of old cars on here. All these cars are rust buckets now. That's the funny part. I don't know if you guys can see them. Here you go. There's a bunch of cars and old stuff. Oh, I guess that's all that this place has to offer. Alright, I'm not going to mess with that. These are just more newspapers. I see it says 1999 on it, so yeah. I'll show you a little bit of the outside again before I end the video. This might have been one of those houses, little houses for the animals. not really a lot of space here, but yeah, that's it for this video, I guess. Yep. This is Ekrix. I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.